What if you could start with just one movie idea and let AI help turn it into a screenplay, storyboard, characters, cinematic scenes, soundtrack, and final edit? That's exactly what SuperCool is trying to do. In this video, I'll show you how to go from a simple idea to an actual AI movie step by step. films.supercool.com. First, open SuperCool and start a new project. Don't jump straight into video generation. Start with the story. For example, create a sci-fi thriller about a young astronaut who returns to Earth and discovers that humanity has disappeared. Make it emotional, mysterious, cinematic, and end with a major twist. SuperCool can help develop the concepts, screenplay, acts, scenes, dialogue, and character arcs. Famous Labs Help Center. Once the story works, move into the screenplay. Ask SuperCool to create a feature-length screenplay with scene descriptions, dialogue, character actions, and cinematic direction. Then review it. This is important because if the story isn't good at the script stage, better visuals won't magically fix it. After you're happy, SuperCool can turn the screenplay into shot lists and storyboards, giving you the visual plan for every scene. films.supercool.com. Now we can start making the actual movie. SuperCool's advanced movie maker supports text to video, image to video, and reference to video. With reference to video, you can upload multiple reference images to help maintain character and visual consistency. Famous Labs Help Center. For example, keep the astronaut's face, hairstyle, spacesuit, and body proportions identical to the reference. Cinematic sci-fi lighting, realistic textures, subtle handheld camera movement. You can also control duration, aspect ratio, resolution, and native audio for individual shots. Famous Labs Help Center. Now generate the scenes one by one. Don't try to make an entire movie from one giant prompt. Instead, scene 1 to scene 2 to scene 3 to scene 4. Keep the same character references, locations, visual style, and story direction throughout. If a scene doesn't work, regenerate it rather than compromising the whole movie. SuperCool is designed to keep the workflow connected from story and script through shots, voice, score, editing, and delivery. That's SuperCool. Once the scenes are ready, add the finishing elements. The SuperCool includes tools for AI voices, soundtrack and scoring, editing, color grading, sound mixing, posters, and trailers. films.supercool.com. You can even create an original score designed around your scenes instead of dropping random background music underneath the movie. Finally, review the complete timeline. Check character consistency, dialogue, sound, transitions, pacing, and every generated shot before exporting. SuperCool also provides tools for posters, trailers, localization, and release workflows. films.supercool.com. My personal opinion, the biggest advantage here isn't one individual AI model sits where. Gibt es eine unbedingte, it's having the whole film